Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. If you're a teacher or a school administrator, you know that reporting season is often the most stressful time of the year. You've spent months teaching, inspiring, and grading, but now comes the administrative wall, turning all that data into something parents can actually understand and appreciate. Traditionally, this means opening 30 different Word documents and manually typing in math scores, science grades, and individual comments. Or worse, sending home a generic, cold spreadsheet that doesn't capture the student's growth. It's a massive time sink that leads to copy and paste fatigue, where every student ends up with the same generic feedback because you're simply too exhausted to type more. Today, we are going to change the way you communicate with parents. I'm going to show you how to build an automated progress report system. Using SmartForm Publisher, we're going to take a simple Google Sheet full of grades and turn it into dozens of beautiful, personalized, branded PDFs in one single click. Let's give our students the recognition they deserve and give you your weekends back. For education, Google Slides is our secret weapon. While Docs is great for letters, Slides allows us to create a, quote, visual report card that parents actually want to keep. Look at this template I've built. It feels like a story of the student's progress rather than just a list of numbers. Now, let's look at the anatomy of our markers. I'm typing student_name and math_score directly into these stylized boxes. But here is the pro tip for teachers. Look at this large text area at the bottom. I've put the teacher_note marker here. Because SmartForm Publisher respects your slides formatting, you can set this box to a friendly, readable font. When the automation runs, your long, personalized comments will flow into this box perfectly. We are building a high-end, branded experience for our school without needing a graphic designer. Now, most people think automation only works for new form submissions. But as a teacher, you likely already have your grades in a spreadsheet. This is where the bulk generation mode becomes your best friend. I don't have to ask them to fill out a form. I already have the data. I'm going to select one by one. This ensures that when I look in my Google Drive later, I don't see 30 files named document. I see a perfectly organized library of student records. We are filling the form for some of the students because to show you the way of how SmartForm Publisher working in real time, so watch closely. Next, we look at our output settings. We want these to be PDFs, so they are official and ready for printing or emailing. Watch this in real time. I hit generate, and the engine starts working through my spreadsheet. It's opening the slide template, grabbing the data for student number 5, creating a PDF, naming it, and filing it. Then it moves to student number 6. It's doing in seconds what would normally take a teacher an entire afternoon of file save as greater than PDF. Let's open one. Look at someone report. His math score is there, his specific science grade is highlighted, and the long comment I wrote about his leadership in the lab has been inserted exactly where we wanted it. No typos, no manual alignment issues. It is professional, consistent, and ready to be shared with his parents. When parents receive a report that looks this professional and feels this personal, it changes their relationship with the school. They feel seen, and they feel like their child is a priority. And the best part? You achieved this level of detail without the burnout. You've used technology to handle the paperwork so you can stay focused on the teaching. If you're ready to reclaim your time and elevate your classroom communication, head over to gwaddons.com to explore SmartForm Publisher. You can find us right now on the Google Workspace Marketplace. Start your free trial today and make this reporting season your easiest one yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next masterclass.